Good morning! I'm sending you this welcome video in the event na na-miss mo yung new Beauty Consultants welcome party natin every Thursday. So, welcome to the Mary Kay family and to the Blazing Butterflies unit. I am your business partner and your mentor, Cecil Apad-Ogier. And my job is to be your power partner in your new business venture, the Mary Kay Career. So just to have a quick brief on who I am, I've been with Mary Kay for already 14 years. And if you want to see the whole MMK story of my Mary Kay journey, please check in this video or this video. Ayan, somewhere there. I have another video that talks about my Mary Kay eye story and how I ended up in Mary Kay. And I hope you will find time to watch that video so you can get to know me better. And ako, personally, I really want to know more of you. But for now, this video will do so that I can relay the message to you and the first few things that you need to do to jumpstart your Mary Kay. Although if your Mary Kay is just a part-time job for you, it's okay because just like you, I started my Mary Kay business part-time while I was an IT professional 13 years ago. And up to now, even though I am managing my own IT business, I'm still doing Mary Kay part-time. No, pero the beauty about Mary Kay is that part-time job, full-time income. So you will get to know more about that in my iStory video. My career in Mary Kay has been a long and beautiful journey of ups and downs. Ganun naman talaga kapag ka-sales business merong ups and downs. But just to share with you the highlight of my career, I am a Millionaires Club member and 4 times achiever of the Mary Kay Pink Car. In fact, yung second na pink car ko, instead of buying a new car, I decided to invest in a condo unit. So before, nagbe-bed space lang ako sa isang maliit na kama somewhere in Makati, but now I live in a beautiful interior design condo in Bel Air, Makati. I've already traveled over 20 countries because of Mary Kay, doing it part-time, ha? So if it was possible for me, there is no doubt that it is possible for you too. We all have 24 hours in a day. And the only difference is how we use that 24 hours. So first things first. Okay, number 1, my question is, nakapag-order ka na ba ng kit? If nakapag-order ka na ng kit, then that's fine. We'll just wait for the startup pack to arrive para maisa-isa natin yung laman ng startup pack mo. But habang hinihintay natin yung startup pack mo, ito yung mga bagay na pwede mong gawin online para masimulan mo na yung learnings mo. So first is, kailangan mong pumunta sa www.marykayintouch.com.ph para ma-register yung account mo at magkaroon ka ng login sa InTouch website natin. Itong InTouch website natin is the area where you will place your order and basically the whole dashboard of your Mary Kay career. Dito mo rin makikita yung movement ng sales mo, ng commissions mo in the future kapag may commissions ka na, lahat ng handouts na kailangan mo, yung Applause magazine, and other documents that you would need. So, kailangan mag-login ka muna dito kasi once you have logged in, pwede ka na rin mag-download ng mga Mary Kay apps natin. So, since it is your first time to log into InTouch, punta ka lang muna dun sa website. Again, that's www.marykayintouch.com.ph and click the, if this is your first time to log in, click here to register. So, after clicking that, may mga series of questions lang na kailangan mong sagutan. Finish that information and voila, meron ka ng login. Step number 2 is prepare your online tools. This is very important, especially when we are doing our business the new normal way. Everything is virtual. Everything is online. So, Mary Kay is very supportive in giving us the online tools that we need to do our business easy and fast. So, to prepare your online tools, remember na kailangan naka-register ka na sa InTouch. Punta ka lang sa site na to. https://www.mkmobileapp.com.ph. So, lahat ng mga apps na makikita mo dyan, pwede mong gamitin, pwede mong i-download. Gusto mo bang isa-isahin natin kung ano yung mga apps na nandyan? Sige, I'll make another video of that. But for now, yung pinaka-importante na magagamit mo dyan. Okay, so there are a lot of ang daming mobile apps na available para gamitin mo. So, isa-isahin lang natin kung para saan itong mga apps na to. Number 1, the e-college. The e-college is, of course, your Mary Kay University on mobile. O, di ba, bongga? So, your first training is called the Essential Steps to Reach Success. Basically, these are the essential steps that you need to understand in order to jumpstart your Mary Kay career. So, your first certification will be here, and it is called the ESRS, or the Essential Steps to Reach Success. Basically, ang ibig sabihin lang nito, kailangan madaanan, mapanood, at mabasa mo lahat ng mga nandiyan dyan sa loob ng MKPE College. And kapag natapos mo yan, I think kailangan mo lang dyan ng total of 3 hours para matapos yan. You will get your very first certification training sa Mary Kay. And congratulations in advance! The second app that you need to really get to know better is the InTouch. Yung InTouch kasi is a mobile version of the InTouch website na nag-register tayo kanina. In here, you can also place your order, see your sales result, enter your customer information para kapag magpapaship ka ng mga products sa kanila, hindi mo na paulit-ulit pang ipapasok. And monitor your financial and business progress. O diba, online na lahat. The third app is the Skin Analyzer app. Itong tool na to sobrang cool because this is a virtual way for you to sell, no? So you will have a link. This link is exclusively yours and you can share this link to your friends, to your potential customers, to your leads, basically to everyone. And yung link na yan is a virtual skin analysis tool. So basically, what they can do is take a selfie of themselves, no? And the app, the artificial intelligence will evaluate yung skin condition nila, yung kalagayan ng balat nila, and basically will give them a recommendation of what to do para ma-reach nila yung best skin ever and what Mary Kay products to use. This way, hindi mo na iisa-isahin at kailangan pang busisiin kung ano yung mga Mary Kay na papagamit mo sa kanila because the app will do that for you. The next one is the Makeup Muse. So, ito naman is a virtual filter app para makita mo real-time or nang totoo yung mga kulay ng mga makeup natin. Diba? This is also a cool way to share to your friends kung ano yung mga bagay na makeup look sa kanila. Marami pang apps na available sa MKP mobile app. The best thing is isa-isahin mo silang i-explore because lahat ng yan ginawa ni Mary Kay to support you and me to make our business easier. Oo nga pala, if you are an iPhone user, there is just one additional step na kailangan mong gawin. You have to go to the iPhone settings, General, Device Management, and click to accept the Enterprise app, which is Mary Kay Asia Pacific Services Limited. So, kapag na-accept mo na to, pwede mo nang i-download ulit yung mga app na nandoon sa MKP mobile app. Now, I know that everybody wants to belong, and I want you to know that you belong to a Mary Kay family. And it is a big and powerful group of women who will motivate you. And believe me, that it is in our best interest na mag-move up ka sa business na ito. So, kailangan mong pumunta sa Facebook ngayon. Hanapin mo ngayon yung Mary Kay Philippines Facebook page and i-follow mo siya. Kasi dito, every Monday, merong product hack. Yung product hack is a regular online training via FB Live na ginagawa ng Mary Kay Product Manager para ma-educate tayo about the products. Now, madami ng mga product hacks na ipakita dyan. Balikan mo lang yung mga previous videos para ma-review ka at para makita mo din kung ano yung mga naging product trainings na before. Next, search mo naman yung MKP Region Sales Group. It is a Facebook closed group exclusively for Mary Kay Beauty Consultants and members. So, dito naman, every Tuesday, meron tayong motivational trainings ng 5 o'clock para ma-update din tayo about our business. So, merong iba-ibang sales directors na nagkukwento rito ng life nila at nagtuturo ng iba-iba nilang mga best practice para malaman mo din ano yung ginagawa ng mga nandito na na-diskarte para maka-negosyo sila. And malay mo, mag-work din yun sa'yo. Number 3, ayan, mag-join ka naman sa chat group and close Facebook group ng ating unit. Yung unit natin is called Blazing Butterfly simply because I believe that our life in Mary Kay is like the metamorphosis of a butterfly. Before Mary Kay, ang buhay ko at ang pera ko parang uod lang din na limited, no? But then, when I learned the business of Mary Kay, I had to go through the cocoon, the cocoon phase, which is mainit, masikip, diba? Parang nung nag-training tayo na pinipilit mo unawain at alamin, paano ba gawin tong business na to? And eventually, when I became a sales director, with access to different income streams in Mary Kay, para ka ng butterfly, diba? Na meron ng access sa iba-ibang flowers sa garden and nakaka-jump na rin from one garden to another. So, it is Blazing Butterflies. I also have a YouTube channel named Blazing Butterflies. And check mo din yung www.blazingbutterflies.com kasi meron din ako dong mga vlogs about Mary Kay Skincare para masimulan mo na ring aralin paano ba gamitin at i-recommend yung mga Mary Kay products natin. Now, nakumpleto ka na sa mga initial learnings na kailangan mo, it's time naman to create your love list. Ano ba yung love list? Yung love list is yung listahan ng mga taong sobrang importante sa'yo na sobrang excited ka, gusto mong i-share sa kanila yung Mary Kay mo. Eh, bakit kailangan ng love list? Ang dami ko namang Facebook friends, ang dami ko namang phone book list. Yung love list, kailangan piliin mo muna. Siyempre, on the first journey of your Mary Kay, kailangan mong ma-boost yung confidence mo. No? So, yung mga kukontakin mo muna ay yung mga BFF mo, yung mga pinsan mo, mga kaibigan mo, na talagang hindi sila hihindi sa'yo. This way, mabuboost agad yung confidence mo in selling Mary Kay na hindi ka kakabahan kasi mga love mo naman yung nasa love list mo, diba? So, sila yung pwede mong pagpraktisan ng mga spills and scripts mo about Mary Kay. This way, pwede kang humingi ng support sa kanila without them judging you because love list nga eh, love mo sila, love ka din nila. Now, once na dumating na yung startup kit mo, it's very important na i-open mo siya and kilalanin mo kung ano yung mga laman na nandun. Okay? So, one thing that I want you to read in your startup kit is your personal skin profile. Ikaw mismo, sagutan mo yung laman ng personal skin profile para malaman mo yung different skin conditions na kailangan mong alamin para makapag-recommend ng Mary Kay products. Diyan sa kit mo, meron din diyang timetable or guide kung ano yung ibibigay mo na kung ano yung recommended Mary Kay products depende sa sagot sa personal skin profile. Pero alam mo ba na ito dati mano-mano namin ginagawa. Ngayon, yan na yung ginagawa ng skin analyzer. Pag ginawa mo yung personal skin profile pad mo, you will appreciate the value of the skin analyzer. And of course, open mo rin yung iyong flip chart. Yung flip chart na yan is basically your guide of your spiel or script when presenting the Mary Kay business. Of course, English yung laman yan. I don't expect you to speak full English, no? So, what I suggest is, like what I did, gumawa ako ng sariling script in Tagalog or Taglish, kung saan yung comfortable ka, nasabihan siya. Then, yun yung kabisahin mo and i-understand mo na script so that pare-pareho yung sinasabi mo every time na mag-present ka ng Mary Kay business mo or ng Mary Kay products. Isa pang magandang gawin is yung mag-unboxing video ka ng startup kit mo. This way, ma-announce mo talaga sa Facebook friends mo at sa mga social media followers mo na Mary Kay Beauty Consultant ka na. Who knows, meron dyang isang previous user na nawala ng beauty consultant. Kung makita niya yung advertisement mo or yung marketing mo na member ka na, di sa'yo na siya o-order, diba? And finally, it's time for you to prepare for your first order. I suggest na yung mga unang o-orderin mo are the products that you would love to use for yourself. Yung mga skincare, if hindi mo pa alam kung ano yung best skincare for you, meron akong mga YouTube videos na pwede mong tingnan at panoorin para ma-assess mo alin ba dito yung bagay sa'yo. Otherwise, send me a private message para ma-assess ko kung ano yung gagamitin mo. Another good way to know what product you should use is to use the skin analyzer para 2 birds in 1 stone. Nalaman mo na kung paano gamitin yung analyzer, nalaman mo pa kung ano yung gagamitin mo para sa sarili mo. It is important na bumili ka muna for yourself. Bakit? Kung hindi mo nga mabentahan yung sarili mo, paano mo bibentahan yung iba? And of course, mas madali magkwento ng experience natin kung nagamit mo mismo yung products, 'di ba? Ikaw mismo, ma-share mo ano yung feeling nung ginagamit mo yung products, anong amoy, paano buksan, yung mga bagay ba na yon na mas madaling matutunan kung first hand. Ayan. So, I suggest take advantage of the 45% discount kapag o-order ka ng 13,000. Kasi kapag naka 13,000 ka, multiple savings. 45% na yung discount mo, libre pa yung shipping mo, meron ka pang 500 pesos voucher na marireceive. By the way, yung voucher is as of 2020. So, if you are watching this in 2021, baka hindi na available yung voucher, ha? Pero, I'm sure merong ibang promo na kapalit yan to welcome new beauty consultants like you. Next, ano ba yung income goal mo? So, pag-usapan natin kung anong income goal mo. Ang isang ordinary family sa Philippines ay nangangailangan or gumagastos ng 22,500 every month. Kung kikita ka ba ng 20,000 every month sa Mary Kay, malaking tulong ba yan sa'yo? I'm sure. So, why not i-goal yung 20,000 income every month? Ibig sabihin lang yan, kailangan mong mag-goal ng 5,000 income every week times 4 weeks para meron kang 20,000 every month. Next, ano naman yung second goal mo? So, dapat ang second goal mo is yung mag-grow na yung Mary Kay business mo. But remember, hindi mag-grow ang Mary Kay business mo kung hindi nag-grow ang knowledge mo. Because in Mary Kay, knowledge is power, profit, and paycheck. So, I suggest to continuously study and learn the in and outs of Mary Kay business. There are 2 other trainings that you need to attend after your ESRS, which is the Red Jacket Development Day, which is invitational kapag nakatapos ka na ng ESRS, and the Red Jacket University on your 3rd month or onward. So, ang dami ko nang sinabi. Siguro stop na ako dito, no? But you know what? I really am excited to work with you. So, please send me a personal message because ako, I can help you grow your Mary Kay business and I can even do your first skincare class for you. Sa'yo ang kita, ako ang magbebenta. 'Di ba? But, kapag hindi mo sinabi sa akin kung anong support yung kailangan mo, paano ko malalaman? So, my request is, please let me know what your plans in Mary Kay, what your income goals are, and ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve sa Mary Kay business na to so I can work with you personally para ma-achieve mo ito. Remember, our mission is to enrich women's lives. And it is my mission to enrich yours the way my life was enriched because of this beautiful business. Finally, remember that in times that you are feeling down, you have your Mary Kay sisters to support you because we are empowered women, empowering women. And it is my pleasure to empower you today and I hope that eventually ikaw na rin yung mag-empower sa iba. So again, welcome to the Mary Kay Blazing Butterflies unit and welcome to this beautiful sisterhood. Remember, I'm Cecil Apad, your Senior Sales Director. And I'm so happy to be working with you and get to know you personally. So, I hope to see you very soon. Bye!